everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm NaturallyAJ, and today I'm going to talk about great tools and essentials for natural hair. Now, these are the things that if you're just starting out your natural hair journey, you're going to need to know what tools to buy to take care of your hair. Okay, so we're going to start, and I'm going to begin with combs. Now, this comb is good for detangling. It's good for making your hair bigger, combing it from the roots to make your hair look full. This is a really good comb. It won't snag your hair. It's not, when it comes to those other combs that has slimmer teeth right here, those you shouldn't use on your natural hair because you can break your hair off, you can pull it out, and you can just do damage to your hair. But this right here is good for detangling, like I said, and it's just good for actually just, getting the roots and kind of making your hair look full. Okay, that's a big tooth comb. All right, then your pick. Now you can also use a pick to go in your roots and make your hair look fuller and maybe come out some of the curls. If you want to have a more afro-ish type of look, a pick is really good. You can stretch it out, make your hair look a little longer, and that's pretty much it for a pick. But get a good rubber pick. I wouldn't advise a steel pick or the type of picks that can just pull your hair out, but a good rubber pick. Okay, that's good. All right, now, this right here. This you can use to part your hair, to give it a good part. Whenever you're styling your hair and you want to make sure you have a crisp, pristine part in your hair, this is what you use for that. Okay, see how pointy it is? And you just take it down. Make your parts. Whenever you're doing small mini twists, this is a great tool for that. Okay. All right. Now, let's go straight to the brushes. Here's a Denman brush. Love Denman brush. Okay. I used to use this to detangle my hair when the conditioner is in my hair, or this is great for styling your hair, especially if you have short hair and you're using a hair product or a gel. Just simply use your Denman brush and it will give you a great curl. You can use this on the ends. You can just brush it down the whole shaft. This is just a great tool for either detangling or styling your hair with a product. Okay, it gives it a great curl. Okay, Denman brush. Yep, right here, Denman brush. Okay, now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I fell in love. I fell in love with this here, this Tangle Teaser. This brush, I wish I had discovered this a long time ago, but this right here, whoo, like when you're doing a pre-poo, you can wet your hair, put oil in it or conditioner, however you pre-poo your hair. Just start with the ends and then just brush it out, and this melts away all the tangles in your hair. If you purchase this, you're gonna love this. I think I spent like $14.99 on this. No, you know what? My son bought me this because he's so thoughtful. He bought this for me at Ulta and it was $14.99. But this is awesome. Tangle Teaser. Check it out. All right, now this, you're gonna need a good brush when you want those flat hairstyles, when you want to lay down your hair to do like a low ponytail or a low bun. And you're looking for a good brush, you're going to need a good brush to be able to do those styles, and just brush your hair down. Just brush it down. This is a silk, I don't know if you guys can see it, Silk Elements type of brush. I got it from Sally's, but this works really well. It doesn't snag on your hair. It's a good brush, but it's not a hard brush. I would say maybe a medium, maybe less than medium, but it's good. It's a good brush. It won't tear your hair up in any way, shape, or form. So just make sure you look for a really good brush that can really lay your hairs down when you're styling. Okay. Okay, this right here. This is what you use when you're laying down your edges with your gel, or this right here. This is just one of the edge. This is what Edge Fixer Maximum Hold in Pineapple Scent by who's this from? Kiss. That's right, Kiss. This is their product. This is the bomb. Check out that edge gel. It's the bomb. It doesn't just lay your edges down, but it'll give it a hold that you thought a gel would give you. But I don't know what's in this stuff. I guess it just seems like a gel mixed with, I don't know, but that's good. That's good. And you use this brush, your edge brush, and you brush down your edges. So that's another good thing. If you like those laid edges, pick this up. I think I got this from my local beauty supply. This is only a few bucks. It's not that expensive. Okay. Yes. To take care of your ends. Yeah. To take care of your ends. Make sure you clip your ends. Keep your ends healthy. Listen, you want healthy hair over long hair. Long, unhealthy hair, scraggly ends, unhealthy ends. I know a lot of you, we're all trying to grow hair. I get that, but it won't grow healthy unless you keep your ends healthy. So I'm not saying to just always clip your ends all the time. Do it when they need clipping. I normally clip my ends maybe every 3 months. Sometimes I dust them a little bit. If they look a little snag, I kind of dust my ends just to make sure my ends are healthy. And if your ends aren't healthy, those split ends will travel up into your hair and it will just totally break your hair off. And you don't want that. You want healthy, strong hair. So keep those ends healthy. Okay. Now, when it comes to when you're doing twist outs, braid outs, and you want those curly ends, get these to put on the ends of your hair. You don't have to take it all the way up to your roots, but when you're doing a twist out, braid out, flat twist, and you want, like I said, if you want those curlies in, excuse me, and you want those curly ends, just put it on the ends of your hair, you know, click it and be done with it and let it set. And it will give your ends a nice curl. Okay, now, when it comes to washing your hair, get a nice massage brush. This right here I got from Amazon, and it's Heeta, H-E-E-T-A, I believe that is. H-E-E-T-A. But it's not the one with the battery like I used to use, which I use that from time to time. But when I discovered this, it's a silicone teeth that does not scratch your scalp at all. When you wash your hair, it feels so good, and you can just tell that it's bringing blood to the surface. It's circulating the blood, and it just it does wonders when you're washing your hair and you're using a scalp massager. This is an awesome product. I do not wash my hair without it. And if you want a healthy scalp, pick up one of these. This was about $7.99. $7.99 from Amazon, and I just love it. Now, last, I believe this is last but not least, when you're deep conditioning your hair, a plastic cap. Okay, make sure you have a plastic cap, because plastic caps hold that heat and moisture in your hair while it's deep conditioning, and it helps the hair get softer. It helps the conditioner penetrates into the hair shaft, and it just does wonders. Now, I have a regular clear plastic cap. I used to use those plastic caps made by Evolve, but they are so hard to find. I can't seem to find them anywhere. I guess people are just hip to it now. Evolved plastic caps are thicker and more insulated, but hey, when you can't find what you really want, then just get the regular clear plastic caps. Or a lot of naturals, they use plastic bags on their heads. You know, just work with what you have. So make sure you use this while you're deep conditioning. And I'm looking at all my products here, and I think that is it. Now, I hope you took notes. Maybe I should have said that in the beginning, but these are just great tools for natural hair. Well, actually, you know what? A lot of these things you can use on just anybody's hair, you know, to keep it healthy. So that's all I have for you guys today. So be a light, shed some light, and until next time, God bless. You know what? Don't forget to subscribe. I love you for it. All right. Bye-bye. One more thing I forgot to mention. Whenever you're sectioning your hair after you wash and condition your hair, you need something to keep your hair up so you can be able to separate your hair. Okay? So these clips you need to keep your hair up and out of the way while you're working on another section of your hair. So these clips, whether you like these or these type of clips, okay, or these type, it doesn't matter. It's up to you, your preference. Okay, so as I was looking over all the tools here, I forgot to mention that, but I plugged it in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.